Hey friends, if you encounter Kernelbase Dll Error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for Microsoft C++ redistributable, and then you can go to the latest supported download page. Scroll down and click on the x64 version. Once it's downloaded, click on open and then click on repair. Okay, so this is one solution. If that doesn't work, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.